say on this?
I welcome everyone to the Tipraland family. As I've always said, that we are ready for 2023. We are ready to fight for our cause. And anyone who wants to come and join our movement, they are very welcome. The most happiest part is that they have come. They've come and they've come unconditionally. And that is the most important thing. He was a sitting chairman. He was Bubagra was a MLA, sitting MLA. They've left their post and come when there is still 5-6 months to go, which says that the wind is blowing on us.
So what we have understood is the main purpose for Tipraland is to go for greater Tipraland. Political.
What else do you want in life? Do you want to die with 100 crores in your bank and a post of a MP and your people say that you sold them? I don't think I came to politics to make money or to get any post. I came because my grandfather gave something to Tripura. My father, when he was alive, he donated land for GB hospital. He did a lot of things. What have I done if I die without contributing anything for my people and my state?
And for Bru people, what would you like to finally say?
The Bru people are my people. I worked on the settlement, and the Bru people are a part and parcel of Tripura. Nobody has fought more for the Bru people than I have. And the Bru people, I want one of them. One day, the Bru people from the displaced people should be also MLA, a minister, an MP. And don't forget, the Bru queen, the Maharajas of Tripuras had Bru queens and princesses. And don't forget, Gori Babu himself is a Bru. So we are proud of our Bru people, we are proud of our Tiprasa heritage, and we want them to be a part and parcel of Tripura. And anyone who opposes them, especially those organizations in Kanchanpur, they better wait, because when we come to power, they will have to answer not only to the Bru people, but to the entire Tiprasa community.
Thank you.